Capping. I'm capping. I'm capping. Capping. I'm capping.
Iron Fist, Iron Fist, Iron Fist.
Bro!
Yes, like.
What
the fuck was that? No!
That was Chris.
What are you talking about?
That was bad, bro.
That was definitely Ishmael.
Oh, that shit was so funny. Dude, I was talking. That
You
wasn't
were.
me.
Did someone shot themselves? Halloween said.
What are you talking about?
It sounded like, I don't know.
It was like, like, you know how monks go, but like very aggressive.
Do you think it was someone in the
That's
game?
crazy.
I think it was the game.
Nah, no way. You capping?
Interesting. Guess we'll never know.
Did someone shard?
That's from earlier when we heard the weird noise.
It was like a weird noise.
It's like that. It's legit like that. That's what I heard.
I burped, that's why.
What's
I
that?
burped.
What's that
That
about?
was
Wait.
you?